Sunrise Roma Louvered Pergola Perfection. Elevate your outdoor oasis with our exclusive accessories. Motorized Zip Screen. Take control of your outdoor comfort with our Motorized Zip Screen. Seamlessly operated by a remote control, this innovative accessory allows you to effortlessly roll the zip screen up and down, providing privacy and protection at your fingertips. Illumina Roof. Immerse yourself in ambient lighting with our Illumina Roof, adorned with strategically placed LED lights encased within the edges of your pergola. Transform your outdoor space into a captivating haven, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Louvered Aluminum Sidewall. Introducing the Privacy Louvered Aluminum Wall, a sophisticated addition to your louvered pergola. Enhance privacy and control ventilation with the operable louvers on the upper section of this sidewall. Enjoy a harmonious blend of style and functionality. Sliding polyester sidewall. Enhance privacy, control sunlight, and keep insects at bay. Customize effortlessly with various colors and designs, featuring a convenient middle zipper for easy adjustments. Elevate aesthetics, reduce noise, and simplify maintenance. Transform your louvered pergola into a stylish retreat.